What could be more unpleasant than finding a worm inside a plum? If there is a worm inside the plum, it is not a larva that fell from the sky. It is a small moth, the codling moth, that lays eggs on the plum, mirabelle plum, or quilt as they grow. To effectively get rid of codling moths, you need to use pheromone traps, and efficiently. Our pheromone trap consists of glue inside that will effectively capture the male codling moths, and efficiently. But to attract them, you need female pheromones, the famous sexual confusion. So I place these artificial pheromones inside. In no way does it affect the beneficial insects. Only the codling moths that attack plum trees will be attracted by these female pheromones. I hang my pheromone trap very carefully in my mirabelle plum tree in the early morning. The male codling moths in the vicinity will smell these potent female pheromones and will get stuck on the strong adhesive glue. Thus, the male codling moths are trapped and destroyed by the sticky traps, and the female codling moths will not be fertilized.